Welcome back, children. As you know, in the previous session, we were learning about possessive form. So, here is the exercise that rewrite these sentences using apostrophe. So, children, as you know, if the noun is plural or already ends in S, just add an apostrophe after the S. So here we will also put our apostrophes in point number 1. The drawings by Paras were displayed in the hall. So here we will write Paras. Paras because he's a noun here. So Paras we will write like this. We will write Paras's drawing. Paras's drawings were displayed in the hall. Now after that, in the second point, the biryani that Aman makes is the best. So we will write like this, Aman's biryani, because Aman is a noun here, that's why we will put our apostrophe with nouns. Aman's biryani. Aman's biryani. After that, third one, the laws of the country treat all people as equal. So we will write the country's law. Country is a noun here. That's why we will put our apostrophe S with country. Country's laws. We always put our apostrophe S with the nouns. That's why here we are putting our nouns, our apostrophe S with the nouns. Next is the waters of the Yamuna need to be cleaned quickly. So we will write like this, the Yamuna. Yamuna is a noun here, the Yamuna. So we will write like this, the Yamuna's water. Yamuna ka pani. Yamuna's waters need to be cleaned quickly. After that, fifth one is the books belonging to my aunties are my greatest treasure. So we will write like this, my aunties. So my aunts is plural here, children. That's why we will put only apostrophe, because this word is end with S, and wherever there will be plural, we will mark only apostrophe. So that's why I am writing only apostrophe. My aunt's books. My aunt's book are my greatest treasure. So children, in this way you will complete your exercise. Now we are going on the next page, play. Conduct these conversations aloud in pairs. So children, this exercise you will read only. This is for orals only, but we will read out. Now, number 1, where are you going this summer? So, a girl is asking, where are you going this summer? A boy is replying that I am going to Gangtok, Sikkim's capital. Now next, in the conversation, why are you going to Gangtok? He replies that I am going there for my grandpa's birthday. After that, whose idea was this? It was my uncle's idea. So children, in this sentence, you can see grandpa's birthday. Grandpa is a noun here and this is singular. So that's why we will add apostrophe S. And here it was my uncle's idea. So uncle is also a noun here, and it is he is singular here. So that's why we will use apostrophe S with uncle. And when are you going there? I am going there as soon as my sister's tests are over. My sister's. Sister is also noun here. So sister is singular also. So that's why we will use here apostrophe S. After that, How are you going there? I am going there in Vasuki's car. So Vasukis is a plural here, sorry, singular here, and this is noun, so that's why we will put apostrophe s. Now after that we are moving on the next page, that is learning with Lady Bird. We use possessive adjectives to say who something belongs to. So children, what do you understand by possessive adjective? Possessive adjective is an adjective that is used to show ownership. What is showed? It show ownership. It comes before a noun and we know to whom the noun belongs. So here's the exercise. I like my t-shirt. So I like my t-shirt. I like my t-shirt. So t-shirt belongs to I. My is the possessive adjective of I. In this sentence, you like your toy. So your toy. Toy is a noun here, and your is the possessive adjective of you. After that, he likes his football. Football is a noun, that's why we are using our possessive adjective before noun. His is a possessive adjective of he. After that, she likes her book. Book is also noun here, and we always write our possessive adjective before noun. So her is a possessive adjective here of she. After that, we like our teddies. So teddies are noun and are is the possessive adjective of we. After that, dinner is also noun here. So their is a possessive adjective of they. So in this way children, we will do this exercise and we will understand. After that, we use its for animals, for objects. As you know children, always it's used for only animals. Like in the example, the dog likes its bed. So dog is a noun here and its possessive adjective it is its. We always use its for the animals. After that, we use name plus apostrophe s if we want to name who something belongs. So if we are taking any name which is belongs to something, so we will write like this: Amir's sister. As you can see, Amir is a noun here and is singular also, that's why we are putting apostrophe s. Pascal's picture. Pascal is also noun here and this is singular, that's why we are putting apostrophe s. Remember, adjective give more information about nouns. Now here we are coming on the next page, possessives and possessive adjectives. So children, you know about very well possessives and possessive adjectives. So let's start our exercises. Write my, yours, his, her, its, are, there or there. So your is a possessive adjective of you and are is a possessive adjective of we. My is a possessive adjective of I. Her is a possessive adjective of she. The boy, his is a possessive adjective of boy. The girls, they, because the girls is plural here, that's why we will use they here. And the car is a non-living thing, and with the non-living thing we always use it. So the car will use it. After that children, we are going exercise 2. On exercise 2, complete the sentences with his, her, their or name plus apostrophe s. So one has been done for you children. It's her drink. Second, this is a girl children, that's why we are using her, because with female we always use her, with the girl we always use her, and with the boy we always use his. And Martha likes her cake because Martha is a girl, that's why we will use her. Its ball. And Rajan is a boy here, that's why we will write it's his ball. For Rajan we will use his. Again here is Annie is a girl, so we will write her. It's her bag. And Lou and Juan help their mom because there are plural. So with plural, and this is there is a possessive adjective of they. So that's why we will use with the plural there. So thank you children, and hope you will like it and hope you will understand. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.